Hello mathematics lovers, you're welcome to class today. Here we'll be looking at subtraction of whole numbers. Now why are we looking at whole numbers? Whole numbers are numbers that do not have fractions or decimals. Okay, a complete whole. Alright, now in subtraction there are some terms you'll be seeing. Terms like minus, terms like subtract, terms like, or term rather, like difference. Okay, these are what you'll be seeing. Alright, let's see a few examples. Let's see the first one. Find the difference between 485 and 23. Right, so let's solve this quickly. You arrange your numbers again according to place values. Don't write it like this, 485, and you write 23 here. No, it's wrong. Always place your numbers according to their place values. Alright, so 3 should be under the unit position and 2 should be under the tens position. Our operation is minus. Please always write out the operation you are working with. Okay, so we're looking at minus 5 minus 3. What do we do? Let's count out 1, 3, 4, 5. Right, let's take away or minus. Minus, you can say take away, subtract. Right, so let's see. 5, take away 3, 1, 2, 3. What is left? 1, 2. So our answer here is 2. Alright, for 8 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take away 2, 1, 2. What is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll have 6 here. Now 4, and there's no number here. The same thing as saying 4 minus nothing. 0 is nothing. Alright, so 4 minus 0 is 4. This becomes your final answer. Let's see some other examples. Find the difference between 4 again. Let's see. Find the difference between 571 and 430. Solution. You arrange them. These are both 3-digit numbers. Alright, so the bigger one comes first. 571 is bigger than 430. Okay, minus 1 minus 0, we have 1. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 1. So our answer becomes 141. Now let's see more complex problems. If you are told to find the difference between 1000 and 52, for example, how do you do such? Remembering that 0 is nothing, as we have said, right? Zeros in this form, they actually do not have any number in them. So what do we do? Right? 0 cannot minus 2. So the next thing I do is I'll borrow. I'll borrow this one from here and put it here. Why? Because there's no number here. This is also 0. So I borrow from here and put it here. This place becomes 10. Alright? Now I'll borrow 1 again and take it to this place. Minus 1 becomes 9. Right? Here becomes 10. The one that I borrowed becomes 10 here. Okay, again, I want to borrow 1 from here and take to this place. This place becomes 10. Here becomes minus 1, which will give us what? 9. So this is 9, 9, and this is 10. This is 1 minus 1. This place is already 0 because we have borrowed it out. Now 10 minus 2, we have 8. Here's remaining 9. 9 minus 5 is what? Let's write it more legibly. 10 minus 1 equals 9. Alright? 10 minus 1 equals 9. Okay? Now we have 9 minus 5 gives us 4. Here 9 minus nothing. There's no number underneath here. So 9 minus nothing, we have 9. Remember this place is already 0. There's no point writing 0. you can just leave it like that. So our answer becomes 948. If you're not convinced, you can add these two numbers and see if you get 1000. I'm sure you will get the exact number. Let's see some more examples. Alright, evaluate 8,572 minus 48. Solution, we have 8,572. Remember, we always write our digits from the back. 8 will be in the unit position, 4 in the tens position. So let's work on our operation. 2 minus 8, it cannot go. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 8. It's not possible. So what we do is we borrow 1 from here and add it to this place. 1 we borrow becomes a 10. 10 plus 2 gives us what? Gives us 12. So this place becomes 12. 12 minus 8 then gives us 4. Now, remember we have 7 here. And we borrowed out 1, right? 7 minus 1 gives us 6. So this place is now 6. 6 minus 4 gives us what? 2. Now this is 5. 5 minus nothing give us what? 5. This is 8 minus nothing give us 8. Our answer becomes 8,524. 8,524. Okay? Now, please do not make the mistake of saying, I borrowed 1 from here and put it to this place. It now becomes 21. Whatever you are borrowing is in, it becomes 10. So 10 plus 2 gives you what? 12. Are we together? For any number you borrow, it becomes 10. Alright? But the number you are borrowing from is just that number minus 1. Whatever is remaining, that's what it becomes there. Alright? So this is our answer. Subtraction is fun and it's very easy when you are familiar with it. Please practice more. Okay? Practice more questions, so I'll leave you with these ones. Okay, subtract 48 from 925. Now when you see something like this, subtract 48 from this, it means you say this minus this. Try it out. Okay, find the difference between 599 and 48. Okay, please try out these two questions and leave your answers in the comment section. Have fun solving maths. Please subscribe to Edith Maths and have a nice time.